Today in this video you are going to learn how to create YouTube thumbnail. An attractive thumbnail makes the viewers subscribe to your channel. Hello, this is Bohra Sir channel and I am your Bohra Sir. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for the notification and get notified when I publish a new video. Okay, let's begin with the video, how to create YouTube thumbnail. For creating a new YouTube thumbnail, first I do research on the topics of my videos. I just go to YouTube and just search all the thumbnails on YouTube which are related to my topic, like how to create YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so as you can see here, there are so many YouTube thumbnails given in these pictures. So I will just collect some ideas like this. This is a normal thumbnail, just written some text and a person who is just giving this information, and you can see also the same here, and each and every one here is a little bit different. This video is containing some symbols of YouTube thumbnail, and most of the things are just visible and attractive. So the person who are attracted by these thumbnails just go to that channel or that video and just look up. So that's why I'm also going to search or do research about that thumbnail. So what type of thumbnail I'm going to make. So you can see here, these are some ideas, and I will also make like the same and attractive one. Okay, so let's begin how to create it. So for making a YouTube thumbnail, I want to add some background, and from where the background I will select or I will choose is here, this website Unsplash. Unsplash.com is the best website from where you can get easily total free photos, right? You can reuse it. Okay, so I recommend you this website, and this is not any paid ad, right? And this is my suggestion. If you want to use, you can use it from here. So there are so many options: nature, travel, right? So I am going to search about, I'm making a video related to the YouTube, then I am going to search about the YouTube picture. YouTube. So now you can see here there are so many options related to YouTube, and whatever you want to use in your thumbnail, you can just use it by yourself. And I am just selecting the landscape orientation. Okay, now just start downloading. Okay, this would be perfect. Now I'm going to click here for downloading this image. So you can see here the image is already downloaded, and say thanks to Austin Digital. This is the person who took this snap is Austin Digital. Okay, let's begin to creating the thumbnail. And now I'm taking to your Adobe Photoshop, where I am going to make this YouTube thumbnail for this video. So I am creating a thumbnail for how to create YouTube thumbnail, right? I'm making the thumbnail for this video only. So at first, after going to the Adobe Photoshop, I'm going to open the file and new. Now I will take the size of 1280 into 720 HDTV 720p. Okay, so this is the workplace where I will make it. Okay, now I'm going to bring that picture which I downloaded it. I will double click on the side. Now just check your download option. So here is the picture. I will select it and open it. You can see the picture is in front of you. Now I will drag it to my workplace and just drop it there. I will resize it. So please wait and let me resize. Okay, apply. Now I am going to bring another one. So I am putting my picture on this thumbnail. Okay, now I am adding some background over here. So I will just click on this option and just take a big block. Okay, so I will change its color into, okay, now Control T. Now I will rotate it. Now I will send this layer backside of my image. Okay, apply at first. Click on the arrange and send backward. Okay, my picture is in front of that. Okay. Okay, after that, now I am going to add some text here. For me, adding some text, I will just click on the T option and just write here how to. Okay, now how to. Now I will add some background for this letter. Okay, this would be good. Now then I will choose the same color. Now I will send it backside. Okay, how to is done. Now I will change the font style, not font color. I will change the font color. Select all. I will put it totally white. Now this is good. Let this both layer be locked. Now this, okay. Now this layer is going. I will duplicate this layer. Now I will again change this alphabet. How to create thumbnail. Okay. How to create thumbnail. Okay, now again I will add some background for this. So I will just click on this size shape one and this layer, duplicate layer. Okay, now the layer is duplicated. Now I will just Control T and take a length. Okay, this one is good. Option apply. Now I will change the color. I don't want to change the color. Okay, it's okay. So I will down. Okay, now how to create thumbnail, and I will add one more thing. So layer, duplicate, I will change this how to into learn. Learn how to create thumbnail. Okay, done. So now I will copy the layer again of that block background. Now I will just put it here. Okay, good. Now I will resize it. Control T. Okay, perfect. Learn how to create thumbnail. This one is perfect for my video. So finish in few minutes. Now I will save it. Save. Okay, thumbnail. Whenever you will save this picture, just save it as JPEG. Okay. So this was a video that I created you to learn how to create thumbnail, right? So I hope you can easily make your thumbnail beautiful and attractive thumbnail at your own. So if you are, again I wanted to say you that if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for the notification and get notified when I publish a new video. Thank you. We will see in the next video.